important matter. PIL regarding the recent attack.
Yeah, you want to argue?
Yes, my
Argue. You are the petitioner in person.
yes, my lords.
Mr. Consul, be responsible before filing this kind of PIL. You owe some duty towards the country also.
Yes, my lords.
Is it the way you are trying to demoralize the forces in this hour of crisis and juncture?
We are very much satisfied with what government is doing. My lords, only one submission. Interest
Please
of
don't bring these things in domain. You want us, since when a retired High Court, Supreme Court judges have become expert in investigation?
we are taking those prayers back, my lords.
Don't mention, you have already filed it, you have already brought in public domain what you are asking before us. Tell us, since when we have acquired this expertise of investigation?
We
We
are
only decide disputes.
not taking on
You
those
are
things.
asking
Only-
a former judge of the Supreme Court should be appointed to investigate.
No, my
Please
lords.
don't ask for this kind of.
We are taking this prayer back. Only one submission, my lords. Interest of students who are studying outside the UT.
We will not mention anything. Please go wherever you want to go. Better you withdraw it. That's the only advice. Don't ask us to pass an order.
My lords can appoint amicus at least. Amicus.
Why should we appoint America? Which item are out of the two you are arguing? 25 or 27?
25. My
25. What is there in 25?
some safeguards for the students of JNK who are studying outside JNK.
That
But
is
they
not
are-
the issue raised. Are you sure about what the prayer you have made? Please see what the prayer you are asking for. We don't want to read out here in an open. First is you are asking a retired Supreme Court judge to investigate so and so. The Supreme Court judges can't investigate. They can only decide dispute. Direct the respondent to take an action plan for so and so. Issue guidelines for minimum so and so. Award interim compensation so and so. Direct union government to constitute so and so. Direct the Press Council of India to do so. Direct respondent to measure. Where is the students come?
My lords, point I.
You force us to read all these things in the night and then you forget what is the prayer you have made. This is not the time. All of us are, this is the crucial hour where each and every citizen of this country has joined hands to fight this terrorism.
Definitely.
Don't make any prayer which can demoralize our forces. It is not acceptable to us.
As far as students are concerned, you can always go to the concerned High Court. They will be in a better position
High
to go
Court,
also.
and there is no prayer in this case.
They will be in a better position.
Please go
to
for
talk
that
really.
to the High Court.
High
The High
Court.
Court will take care of
Give
that.
us liberty to withdraw it.
The facts is all right. So we can, in an urgent matter, we can always take care of it.
My
So
lords,
that's like this. All the defects are not cured. You are rushing. This is not the time. Look at the sensitivity of the issue.
my lords may give us liberty to withdraw and approve before.
So let it not go to the High Court also.
Don't,
Request.
for
Let
this
it not
prayer,
go to
don't
the
go
High
to High Court. For students, you want to.
This is not
Only
for
students,
Only students. Say,
only students.
only for arguing the case for some time, counsel for the petitioner, one of the petitioning person seeks and permitted to withdraw this petition. However, with liberty to approach the High Court with respect to the cause of the students, if I. It is our clarified that we have not expressed any opinion on the
Students and
merits of
also
such a cause.
students also those who are in search of livelihood outside.
Whatever student, we have used the word wider term students, we go there and.
Obliged.
Item number 15 also is an election.
Hmm?
Item number 15